Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Training for Beginners. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to log into your existing eToro.com account. Signing into eToro is super quick and easy. All you need is your credentials and you'll be good to go. First of all, launch open any web browser of your preference and in the URL box type in eToro.com and search. You'll find yourself in the official website for eToro, from where you can sign into your existing account. Go ahead and enter your username or email in the first field. Once you do, head over to the password field and write down your correct password for your eToro account. Once you do that, if you don't remember your password, click on the Forgot Password link and follow through the instructions, but if you do, type it down and click on Sign In. If you want to be stayed logged in for 30 days on this device, and if you trust the device, then you can check this little box. If not, leave it unchecked and click Sign In. Right after you do that, you will be signed into your eToro.com account. All you need is your correct credential and you are in. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.